Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn off green light dot on iPhone screen. So basically, the green light dot on the iPhone screen is an indication that the camera or microphone is currently being used by an app. This is a privacy feature introduced in iOS 14 to provide users with more transparency and control over the device's camera and microphone uses. Here is how you can turn off the green light dot on your iPhone screen. First thing first, all you have to do is go to the Settings app in your iPhone. Now, from the Settings app, simply scroll down till you find the option Privacy and Security. And scroll down and tap on the microphone or camera depending on which permission you want to revoke. I'm here tapping the camera. And inside the camera, you will see a list of apps that have requested access to microphone or camera. Toggle off the switch next to the app for which you want to revoke the permission to. So after that, ensure that your privacy is protected. It's a good idea to periodically check your app's permission and review which app has access to your camera and microphone. And if you have doubt on any app, then simply turn it off. So that's it guys. You can turn off the green light dot by these steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.